Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best label makers for home and office use. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Phomemo M221 3-foot label maker barcode label printer. A barcode label printer suitable for small businesses or home use, capable of printing address labels, logos, mailing stickers, and more. The Phomemo M221 offers versatility and convenience in label printing tasks. Phomemo M221 3-foot label maker barcode label printer. A barcode label printer suitable for small businesses or home use, capable of printing address labels. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Bluetooth Thermal Label Printer D520BT, a desktop thermal label printer with Bluetooth connectivity, delivering high-speed label printing for shipping and other purposes. It offers wireless functionality, making it convenient for office and business use. At number 3. CJ9200 Shipping Label Product Sticker, a versatile 4-inch thermal barcode printer designed for shipping labels and product stickers. It supports USB and Bluetooth connectivity, catering to General Express and label printing requirements. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Niimbot B1 Label Maker Mini Printer. This compact thermal printer is capable of producing self-adhesive labels via Bluetooth connectivity. It's portable and suitable for various applications, offering convenience for on-the-go printing needs. At number 1. Niimbot B21 Mini Thermal Printer, a pocket-sized thermal printer equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, ideal for creating barcode labels wirelessly. It's designed for use in home offices or commercial settings, offering portability and convenience.